The next important section of the WordPress settings I find is the reading settings. Some really important settings in here. Here we've got the homepage settings. So at the moment where our homepage is set to display our latest posts rather than a static page. So our homepage is essentially a blog right now. I could change this to a static page and then choose the only other page that I actually have right now is called sample page. But I could create a new page, create a new page called home, and I could set my home page to be a page I just created, which is called home as well. At the moment, I'll set it to sample page. This is a default page that WordPress gives you with every install of WordPress. Here we can also set our blog page as well. So I could actually create a page called blog and set it to be the blog page and set it here to display all my blog posts. Here I've also got the amount of blog posts I want to show. This setting here for syndication feeds is for RSS feeds. So you can set the amount of posts that you can show on your RSS. And here we have further options for how much text we want to display on the feed. So probably best to use a summary rather than the full text. But I'm not sure. I'm not a huge user of syndication. Unfortunately, I just never really got into that. Never really experienced the world of RSS that well. I gave it a shot once, and it just quickly sort of faded away into the background. This is a super important setting. We have so we can discourage search engines. We can discourage Google from crawling our site. The only reason you would want to do that is if your site is really still under construction. You're not ready for the search engines to come along. Also, perhaps you have a staging website or a development website, a development server, where you're still building the website and or you're using you've got a clone of your website for testing purposes, or for like our development workflow. We upload our work to staging. It gets approved by the client, and then we send it to the live site. So if you've got a system like that in place, then you'll want to discourage the staging site, but never the live site.